Today we explain how to submit your Scratch Junior project. First, complete your Scratch Junior project. Then press print screen button on your keyboard and open a blank Word document. Then paste it in the Word document and save your file with student name, standard, division and roll number. Open your Hackberry portal and log in with student ID and password. Click on Session 1, click on Quiz Quest, click on S1 Hackberry Internal, then click on Choose File, then select your saved Scratch Junior Word file and click on Submit Assignment.